guys get ready with me using Lash Lovin News lashes. So now for the easiest part, my lashes. Now I did this eye off camera and I'm going to show you how I do this eye. Now these are the lashes I'm using. They are called Dolly and they're from Lash Lovin You. So basically how they work, you pick them up in your little tool and get the bottom piece. Now the top piece, the long one, goes on top of your eyelid and then these ones go under. So I'm going to show you how. Ready? You hold them here, you grab the bottom piece and you clip them together, and then you keep doing that over and over again. Grab the middle piece, push these back down and clip them together. Grab the last piece, push them in and clip them together, and then you're done.